Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. We are focusing on Live Paint bucket tool in this video and create something simple with it. Live Paint is a function in Illustrator that allows fill color or gradient to be applied separately to overlapping sections in a group of objects. Let's hop into the Illustrator for more information. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel for reaching to the previous lectures and click on the bell button so whenever I publish a new video, you are the first one who can watch it. Okay, at the first step, we want to focus on the Live Paint bucket tool and we can find it in the toolbox here. In the Shape Builder category, I hold the left key and select the Live Paint bucket. That's it. This is the Live Paint bucket. But before that, I should have a shape in my artboard for using the Live Paint bucket tool. So I go to the Shape tool here and select the Ellipse tool and I want to create a shape. I find the center of my artboard here. I hold the left key, hold the Alt key and hold the Shift key. Okay, I select the selection tool and here I hold the Alt key for duplicate it and hold the left key of the mouse and put it here and again put the circle on the other side. I select all of them and I want to change the fill color to none here, and now I select this circle and this one. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V or Command and C and Command and V in Macintosh. Now in the properties, I want to rotate it by 60 angle. And again Ctrl C, Ctrl V and rotate it with 120 angle. Here you are. This is my shape. Increase the size of the stroke. That's it. And now I select all of them and select the Live Paint bucket tool. If I select it and go to my shape, we have a note here, click to make a Live Paint group. Before using the Live Paint bucket tool, I should click and make a Live Paint group. Okay, I made it. And now I can use the Live Paint bucket tool in every part I want. For example, I select the color yellow and put it here, 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 and here, and wherever I want. I press Ctrl Z. I have another tool entitled Live Paint Selection Tool. I select it and here I select these parts with holding the Shift key. And now I change the color, for example to yellow. That's it, very easy. Okay, let's add some colors to my shape. I press Ctrl Z, select all of my shape, and use the Live Paint Selection tool. I select these parts with holding the Shift key. And now I double click on the fill color and I want to add a color code. I prepared for you some color code. For example, this one, 5C. A72. Press OK. Now again I select all of my shape, select the Live Paint Selection tool, select these parts, and again select the fill color and put it another color code. For example, this one, F46 A4E. Okay, this is my second color and do it again for other parts. Another color code F4874B. Again select and the last parts, these ones. 3E05A. Press OK. This is my shape. I select all of them, and actually I want to remove the stroke. This is my shape. I colorize it just with the live paint bucket tool. You can change your color by your opinion. For example, again, I want to change the color. I again select it. I want to use another color combination. For example, I select these parts. Change the color to this code, EBF2EA. And select these parts, BF9 D7A. These parts, 80A DD7. Finally, these parts. EBF2EA. Okay, now I want to make a background. I select the rectangle tool and create a background. I select the selection tool, right click, and in the arrange I send it to back. And I want to change the color to something dark, for example this one or this one, and go to the object and I lock it. Now this is my shape. Again, if I select it, I want to change these colors to something better. For example, D for ECA9. Okay, that's it. Here you are. This is a simple shape just created with Shape tool and the Live Paint bucket tool.